Hi, I'm Darren Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel, where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view, and I'll see you on the other side.
Greetings, nature enthusiasts and aspiring farmers. Today, we're thrilled to present an incredible opportunity, a residential farm for sale in the serene beauty of Botolan, Zambales. Nestled in the heart of Botolan, this charming residential farm spans a generous 1,000 square meters. Secured with a clear land title, it's not just a property, it's a canvas for your agricultural dreams. As we explore this beautiful plot of land, you'll notice the fertile soil, perfect for cultivating your own garden or starting a small farm. Imagine waking up to the fresh air and with freedom to create your own green oasis. Convenience meets tranquility. In Botolan, this residential farm offers the best of both worlds: the peace of rural living and easy access to local markets, schools, and community amenities. Owning your piece of Botolan is made simple with a secured land title. This residential farm is not just an investment, it's an invitation to a life surrounded by the natural beauty of Zambales. Whether you dream of building a charming cottage or a sustainable home, this residential farm offers the canvas for your vision. Picture yourself enjoying the panoramic views and creating memories in this peaceful haven. If you've been longing for a piece of rural paradise, this residential farm in Botolan, Zambales awaits your vision. For more details, contact us today. Subscribe for more exclusive property explorations and insights into the world of real estate. There's so much to tell about this property, the neighborhood, and in this area. But it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view, and I'll see you on the other side. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more remarkable real estate showcases. Your dream home awaits in Subic, Zambales. Zambales Realty, aside from offering you a remarkable property, is a one-stop shop solution for all your real estate needs. Our engineering services redefine precision, turning your visions into reality. With expert architects and engineers, we bring innovation to every project. Our construction services build dreams that last. Quality craftsmanship and timely delivery are our hallmarks. Trust us to construct your future. Zambales Realty also takes the hassle out of the property ownership. Our land survey services provide accurate measurements, ensuring your plans are rooted with precision. Navigating legal complexities, our legal services ensure your transactions are seamless, and our due diligence guarantees peace of mind. And when it comes to securing your property, our land titling services make it official. Your investment, our commitment. Choose Zambales Realty, where excellence meets every aspect of your real estate journey. Call us today and let's build your future together.
And if you like this video, be sure to hit subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and on our YouTube channel so you'll never miss properties like this. This is Darren Shanava, your host, signing off. Ciao!
Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenshanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.